Hello everyone, I am Ajil Salim from Calicut, Kerala. Today I am here to present BMC Business Model Canvas of a company called Amul, the taste of India. Now let's talk about Amul. Amul. Amul is an Indian dairy cooperative society based out of Anand that lies in Gujarat. The word Amul is derived from the Sanskrit word Amulya, which means priceless or precious. It was founded in 1946. Now, Amul is managed by the Gujarati Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Ltd, GCMMF. Amul started India's white revolution that made India the world's biggest maker of milk and milk products. Amul was founded by Tripandas Patel under the direction of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Now let's see, how did I choose this company and from where did I get all the details of the company I have chosen? Crunchbase. Crunchbase is a website where you will find all the details of company. In that site, there is lakhs of company and its details. So it was very helpful and easy for me to get the details of the company I haven't chosen. The company I have chosen is Amul. I simply searched for Amul and I got all the details of the company. Now let's see what are their key partners, activities and resources. Key partners. The key partners are suppliers, village dairy cooperatives, wholesale and retail sellers, also distributors and investors. Their key activities are production, marketing, research and development, distribution of dairy products, and provision for animal feeding. And their key resources are farmers, management staff, human, chilling warehouse, animal husbandry, wholesale and retail outlet. Now let's see value proportions, customer relationship and channels. Value proportions. Value for money. Rural development and self-reliance through remunerative return to farmers. Best quality product. Health conscious product. Product for all, no premium offering. Customer relationship. Develop a brand that is consisting with a growing support local culture, consistent supply of healthy and pocket-friendly product, consumer problem solving system. Channels are Amul parlors, retail outlets, wholesale dealers. Now see customer segment, cost structure and revenue streams. Customer segment. Mass market, which includes kids, women, youth, health conscious for elders, all the products for all the people at different ages. Then industrial producing milk based product. Cost structure. Low cost strategy adopted. Fixed cost, salaries, bill payment, advertisement and marketing. Revenue streams. Price of product, advertising and marketing of product, franchisee fee, licensing fee or royalty fee.